This is a Lennox Merit Series straight cool air conditioner. Might actually be a... Oh, this one's a heat pump. Manufactured in 2004. I don't know why it has the condensing unit on the side. Oh, it says there, heat pump care information. I thought that was a condensing unit care information. Yeah, this is a heat pump. Used to heat and cool a restroom, of all things. I actually think it's a very smart idea, because normally when I come to commercial properties like this that have outdoor restroom buildings, they're not heated or air conditioned. It's either very hot or very cold. This is actually a smart idea. So this does both the ladies' room and the men's room. Obviously it's running in cool mode. It's like 94 degrees right now probably. It's going to get 94 degrees today. Lennox Merit Series heat pump. 10 SEER. And this appears to be a 1.5 ton. Doesn't have that much space to heat and cool, so it's a 1.5 ton. There's the disconnect box. Yeah, I think this is a 1.5 ton. All right. Don't know where the heck that would have gone. There we go. And that ain't gonna stay. Let's see if I can do the right thing and fix it for him. That isn't going to work. Let's see if I can... You know what? Yeah, I don't think that's going to stay. Oh well. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.